Enigmatic Filipino politician and entrepreneur Chavit Singson has made so many notable strides in both the political and business world. The mayor of Narvacan has held different key political positions over the years. He also owns multiple businesses and has made so many profitable investments. He is considered to be among the richest people in the Philippines. Filipino politician and business tycoon Chavit is one of the famous people in the Philippines. With a family background in politics, he did not waste time joining politics as a councilman, congressman, governor, deputy national security advisor to the government of the Philippines, and mayor. His business acumen has made him the owner of businesses in retail, aviation, mining, agriculture, renewable energy, and sports. The mayor also has his very own Baluarte resort and mini zoo. He also exercises corporate social responsibility by sponsoring events, environmental friendly practices, training, and education. Luis Crisologo Singson, also known as Chavit Singson, was born on June 21, 1941 in Vigan, Ilocos Sur to father, Jose Singson, and mother, Caridad Crisologo. A Filipino businessman and politician who last served as the mayor of Narvacan, Ilocos Sur from 2019 to 2022. He was also the governor of the province of Ilocos Sur starting from 1972 until 1986. Again from 1992 until 2001, again from 2004 to 2007, and again from 2010 until 2013. For generations, his paternal and maternal families have dominated the political landscape in the Ilocos region. Despite his family's prominence in the region, Chavit did not always enjoy the rich life. He witnessed money difficulties when his family had to sell their appliances at some point. He studied in Colegio de San Juan de Letran in Manila for a degree in commerce. Singson was first married to Evelyn Verzosa Singson. He has a son with Evelyn, Ryan Luis Singson, who is also a politician. The couple, which later separated, had 6 other children. Evelyn died in March 2016. Singson publicly introduced Josephine Pinder, who is 44 years younger than him, as his partner. He began a relationship with Pinder when she was only 14 years old, while he was 58. He also had model Rachel Tyonson as his common-law wife, with whom he has 5 children. Their relationship ended in 2009 after Tyonson was beaten up by Singson after she allegedly had an affair with another man, although Tyonson claimed they have been estranged since November 2008. Singson does trophy hunting as a hobby. He established in the Baluarte Zoo in Vigan after his game collection grew large. He keeps taxidermized remains of some of the animals he hunted at the Safari Gallery in Baluarte. In September 2024, Singson underwent stem cell therapy in Japan. In 2010, Singson sued Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago for libel after the latter referred to him as a hooding lord during a privileged speech in the Senate. The complaint was dismissed by the Office of the Ombudsman in February 2011, citing Santiago's parliamentary immunity. In July 2013, Singson, along with Deogracias Victor Savellano, were charged with graft by the Office of the Ombudsman following a 2002 complaint over the alleged misuse of financial assistance worth $26 million taken from Ilocos through share in the revenues from the national government's tobacco excise tax during their governorships. However, both were acquitted by the Sandiganbayan in August 2014, citing the significant delay before the Ombudsman formally opened a preliminary investigation into the complaint in 2012. In April 2024, Singson was fined Philippine peso 5,000 after his convoy was caught by Metropolitan Manila Development Authority MMDA inspectors traveling along a section of the DSA in Quezon City reserved for buses of the DSA carousel. In response, Singson apologized for the offense and paid the fine. He also offered Philippine peso 200,000 to the traffic inspectors who intercepted him as a reward for doing their duty, which was later received by the MMDA. However, the Civil Service Commission subsequently said that the MMDA's acceptance of the reward was a violation of ethics laws governing public employees. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.